Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'll be showing you the process on how you can add Q&A on your TikTok bio on iPhone. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and to press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap and open TikTok application on your device, then get logged in into your account. Here at the home page of your TikTok, you need to tap on the profile icon on bottom right corner. Inside your profile, you need to tap on 3 horizontal line on top right side of your screen. There, you need to tap on Creator Tools. Inside Creator Tools, you can see the option of Q&A. You tap on it. Now here, you can add your Q&A by tapping on Ask Questions and you go in for typing your questions that you want to. After you are done, you need to tap on Post. Now here you need to go back. Now here you need to tap on 3 dotted line on top right side of your screen. There you can see Show On Profile. You need to tap on the toggler to the right side to make it on so that Q&A will be added on your bio. That means other people can view your Q&A on your profile. So you tap on the toggle. Now here you go to back to your profile. There you can see Q&A option has been added to your profile. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how you can add Q&A on your TikTok bio. Thank you.